So guys, we see a huge stack of, oh, don't worry, you'll get them, you'll get them. Hey, don't try to yank it, just pull it up. Yeah, because you probably just yanked it out. You don't have any bait on, do you? Alright, look at all those carp. Can you guys see them? Oh my god. Look at all of them. Just sucking. Ugh. Alright. Alright, Ethan's got this. No doubt. Look at all of them. You guys are about to witness an awesome fight. I want the big one. Is he coming? Got him! Yeah. Did he eat that? Alright, keep your drag loose. Keep your drag loose. Yeah. Don't let him break your line. That's a good one. Yeah. Oh, gee. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, that's awesome. What? Yeah. Oh, yeah. He sucked it, too. That's a good carp. Fun carp. Oh, yeah. You gonna land him? You know.
Land him over there.
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, this is the biggest carp I've ever caught.
Really?
Yeah, I'm really
I have a net in my car.
I got the net sitting over there.
By your chair? Yeah.
Carp.
Oh,
We're just.
there's been a swarm of them.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Down there. Let's try it.
Try to get it in? Yeah. Just don't break your rod, too.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, right when he comes up, you're just gonna take right off again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Snap.
Dang.
This is too tight. Is that what you were going after?
Yeah.
Should have grabbed the net.
Man, yeah, we can get it again.
That's alright.
Missed the hook set, guys. We've been missing a lot. But Ethan, the king of carp, returned. My goodness, he dropped his water bottle just for it. Oh, man. How's it feel, Ethan?
Pretty decent.
Pretty decent?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh. I think it might be a drum, actually.
Drum?
I feel like it might be drum.
I don't think it's a drum. It's a carp pool.
It might be a carp. They're close. Oh, that's a carp. It's a carp.
It's gotta be.
It's a carp. Where's my net at?
Dude, that's a drum. I'm just kidding. It's a carp.
Oh.
It's a carp. There's the
Yeah,
net.
this first carp on the corn.
On the corn.
Oh, man, these guys been playing me all day.
Oh, that's a nice one. Come on. You got him. You got him. Yeah. Oh, man. There we go, guys. Ethan releasing his. Oh, bite on that pole. Bite on this pole. Oh yeah. Ethan, the carp king again, with another fucking carp. I can't catch one. It's kind of some bull crap.
I have to straighten this one. Oh.
Dude, did you hook it by its fin?
How could that be possible?
It looks like a.
That's a nice carp.
Yeah, that's a pretty big carp. Where's the net?
I got it. I got it.
There it is.
Do my old technique.
Look at that technique. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You gotta tell him to come. Alright, that's a good one. Dude, that's a catfish.
Oh yeah.
Look at that fight. Oh yeah. You gotta take your time on carp. Because they can run out of, just like that, out of nowhere. Yep, just like that. Make sure your drag's on.
Yeah, I think it's good.
No, I was talking to you. I was talking to the people.
Oh.
Huh.
I'm not professional.
Yep.
On camera.
Yep.
I'm sure this carp's tired, dude.
You thought he was tired. Now he's getting there, huh? He's got it.
You got it. Oh.
Uh,
Oh. Hey.
yeah. Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Alright, this one's it. Getting him. Yeah, there you go. Nice. So guys, there's Ethan's carp. We weighed it, it was 11 pounds. So guys, our fishing adventure has turned into a night. We're gonna do some catfishing later today. But carp bite is still strong, of course. It isn't me. But oh well. Look at that carp. Oh yeah. I'm gonna let him go?
Yep.
Do it. This is the correct way according to Ethan. Oh yeah. First, yeah. Just let him go from your net, you know?
I don't know if it gets splashed.
Oh. Oh yeah, there he goes. Yeah. Off he goes.
No.
So guys, the Carp King at it again. My goodness. I didn't even know you can catch carp at night. There he is. Oh yeah. Doesn't it just make you, like, do you guys feel for me? How Ethan is catching all these freaking things and I'm just getting bit up by bugs?
Oh yeah, that's deep.
Nice. Carp King with his annual run up. Yep, there he goes.
What you got there?
Carp.
Huh?
A carp.
24.
24.
Oh, carp. Oh, that's a big carp.
Yeah, we caught a 26 earlier.
Wow.
Yeah.
8-pounder.
Yeah, that's a nice crappie too. Look.
Dang. Look at that. My goodness.
This is what I use.
Well guys, this is, again, you know, I'm just gonna stop recording this because it's kind of bullcrap. It's a nice little carp. Oh yeah.
I feel like this guy's gonna spit the hook because I've lost the hook every time.
Ooh.
Almost there.
Ooh. Ooh. Remember how we were excited for like the first fish that we caught this size?
Yeah.
And then now we're like, eh. Well,
But still, it's nice.
well, I'm like, eh. Because I haven't felt it yet. Oh yeah, you get it. Oh yeah. And some people just came, so we're showing off to them. Well, I'm not. Why don't carp love me? Probably because I gave him for food to that Asian guy.
Oh my.
Don't fall in again.
Be nice if that's a big carp.
Or that big carp net.
Stuff the carp guys use. Wherever they're from.
Yeah.
This is an American carp.
Oh, I swam right in. Swam right in. And then Ethan's annual run up. Where is it?
It's a nice carp.
How long was it?
23.
23 inches. Not bad. That's right. There you go. Say cheese to the people.
Cheese.
Oh man.
Don't win this time.
I don't think you will. Alright, you got this. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, he's stuck in the net.
Stuck in the net?
Oh, there he goes.
There it goes.
Oh my god, it's a big
Dude, freaking, you know the Carp King, right? The Carp King right here, he gets a bite, right? We think it's a big old carp. Well, we were wrong, folks. It's a damn goldfish. Oh my god, you just humped the goldfish. Oh my god.
I'm keeping this guy for my fish pond.
Oh my god, dude.
Because this is like the biggest goldfish I've ever seen.
Oh my
He
god.
deserves to go in the koi pond.
That's like when
Oh my god.
when your 3-year-old self flushes the dead goldfish down the toilet, but it's not really dead.
This right here was bait from the marina
Yeah,
that
like,
someone was using,
yeah,
and it grew this big.
that is crazy.
So keep him. My mom will be happy.